Good morning, happy holidays from Celebrity Chef Cat. I'm getting ready to make my holiday veggie greens. Let's see, what do we have here? We have fresh organic white mushrooms that I have pre-marinated in my special olive oil seasonings to give it that really rich flavor and aroma. I have beautiful yellow bell peppers. We have beautiful red onions. We also have parsley. We have orange bell peppers. We have celery. And we have all that mixed together in a beautiful Picasso portrait for you. We also have a mixture of dandelion and collard greens. I have some celery here, and we're going to cook that with flaxseed oil, my special olive oil mix here. We have Celebrity Chef Cat Season All. We have my special traditional holiday season blend, which is really going to turn those greens up a notch. And then we have my Celebrity Chef Cat garlic and parsley spice. And we're going to marinate all that together in a beautiful holiday traditional veggie greens. And we're going to enjoy that to the smooth, jazzy sounds of Anita Baker. Happy holidays from Celebrity Chef Cat. Bye-bye. Frosty the Snowman, happy holidays. Bye-bye.